Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the dollar yen, I still think it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I still think that this move up right here is going to make a new high before we do get a bigger push to the downside. I think it's going to end up taking out these highs and at least looking something like that. So if we take it down to the weekly is where I got my Fibonacci extension on here. And like I said, I do expect it to take out the previous highs, which to me puts us all the way up to at least the 155, probably 155 flat area is where I would expect this to end up. I think something like this is probably a pretty likely scenario for the continuation of this uptrend. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm definitely still very bullish, and the fact that we're closing above the 78% gives me even more confidence that I need to continue to look for longs. Usually, when price starts to close above or below the 78% of the last move, that is definitely an indication that it most likely will take out the previous high and potentially go a lot higher than that. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for longs in an uptrend. Possibly it's already trying to go long now. We'll have to watch and see. I'd like to see a more proper three-way pullback to go long. But like I said, I'm definitely looking for longs, at least until the daily time frame and up tell me that it's time to start looking for shorts, which it definitely has not done so yet. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement out here. Now this move down does look a little bit like a trend, which is why I said it could be a wave A, it could be a wave B, and it may actually go down again for like a wave C like that. Which if it does do that, that's actually a much clearer pattern and give me much more confidence to actually go long. But oftentimes what we think is a wave B will just end up continuing the uptrend. So I definitely am looking for longs, like I said, and I do see that it did bounce from a fib level and it definitely did go up and break structure. So now we just have to observe it to see if it continues the uptrend or if it makes some sort of a three-way pattern up and then pulse it down, which would be a wave B, and then go back down for the wave C. Either way, whether it does go down for that final wave C or whether it just keeps on trending up now, either way, I would definitely continue to look for longs in an uptrend at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.